H.L. Ahuja Microeconomics Chapters Unit 1 Chapter 1, 2 or 3 Question asked. Just read on Chapter 2. No need skip that Chapter 3 and 4. If you're weak in Mathematical Economics Chapter 5, if you are weak then must do Part 2 Chapter 6, BVI Chapter 7, 8, BVI Chapter 9 and 10. Basic you should need Tono Chapter 11. Just read once Chapter 12, Chapter 13. Not need to do Chapter 14, VVI Chapter 15, VVI Chapter 16. Not important, just read once Part 3 Chapter 18, 19 and 20, VVI Chapter 21, just once Chapter 22. Not important, Chapter 23, VVI Part 4 Chapter 25, once Chapter 26, important basics Chapter 27, 28, 32, 33, 34, 36, 40, 41, VVI Chapter 29, 30, 35, 37, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, once Part 5 Chapter 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, once if you are interested Part 6, Welfare Economics Chapter 59, 60, 61, 62, 65, 63, once Part 7 Chapter 64 or 67, important age. VRI in Chapter 1 to 6 only.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?